criação. Nosso pensamento só nos leva a crer no sonho e acreditar que tudo posso naquele que me fortalece.
Check it, check, 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 check. Mr. Manifest. What? Mr. Manifest. Mr. Manifest, what you got to say? You got a song that's controversial, eh? You're Canadian, white, Caucasian, and still skateboarding until I recorded it. We're not here trying to bring you down, we're just trying to figure you out. Well, I was only 18 when I buzzed on my head, when I slipped off a ledge and fell on my head. I got stuck in a bed with a pad and a pen. I had a voice in my head and this is what it said. Right now, write down, write your feelings out loud. On a song loud, put my words in style. Find out why my people are crying out. Reach out with hip-hop, skateboard is your crowd. Now is the time, now is the sign. Now say a line that'll prick the minds. It's over now, you're older now. I'll flow right through you, let's show them how. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. So all the B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. Come on, B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. They said it couldn't be done, I said we up and tried. A white skateboarder kid blew up the minds. Take the music out the box like God with thorns. Stomp like Jericho walls and stretch your lungs. I'd wanna know if I was walking down the wrong road. Why didn't someone tell me I have my eyes closed? I watch what I eat since supersize me. Since the internet, MySpace be the in thing. I talk in my sleep like I'm walking a dream. I cling to the cross who's Lord and the King. You think I'm crazy, they think I'm crazy. Test drive it, baby, it rides amazing. Still skating for real, not the same guy. Slide to the front of the stage, hands high. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. Now all my B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. Hey. So all the B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go.
Everyone gather round. I think we should announce that
Como é que pode pessoas pensarem que tudo na vida não tem mais valor? Você pensa na hora da grande vitória, em que tudo é possível você alcançar, mas não tente falar e nem queira pensar que a pessoa do espelho que você vai ver não pode fazer uma vida melhor, então fácil mudar, só basta querer viver. É lutar, ter o que você quer. Cê ainda quer mesmo ser mais rua que eu?